DIY Culinary Chemistry, Transforming Food with Molecular Gastronomy. Ever wondered how chefs create foams, spheres, and edible bubbles? It's not magic, it's molecular gastronomy. Imagine turning juice into caviar-like pearls or making a smoky cocktail with liquid nitrogen. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive into 11 mind-blowing techniques you can try at home. Spherification, transform liquids into tiny, flavor-packed spheres using sodium alginate and calcium chloride. Think balsamic pearls on mozzarella. Reverse spherification, perfect for liquid-filled bursts, ideal for cocktails or fruit juices. Emulsification, create foams with lecithin to elevate any dish, think citrus air on seafood. Gelification, use agar-agar to turn soups into jelly-like textures for a creative plating twist. Liquid nitrogen freezing, instantly freeze fruits, ice cream, or cocktails for a dramatic, smoky effect. Carbonation, infuse fruits with CO2 for a fizzy surprise. Carbonated grapes? Yes, please. Dehydration, transform ingredients into crunchy, concentrated flavor bombs with a dehydrator. Sous vide cooking, precision cook meats and veggies for perfect textures every time. Smoke infusion, elevate flavors with smoked salt, tea, or even smoked butter for a gourmet touch. Edible films and papers, craft transparent, melt in your mouth flavor sheets for plating artistry. Flavor pairing science, use food chemistry to discover surprising combinations, like chocolate and blue cheese. Disclaimer, always follow safety guidelines when handling chemicals or extreme temperatures in molecular gastronomy.